Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys how you can make money online without investment. Yes, you heard me right, no capital is required. Okay, so just a quick introduction and a disclaimer. So um in my channel I talk about different cool ways you can make money online legit, to supplement your other jobs or to add to your stream of incomes. Okay, so secondly, um the content of my videos are for educational purpose only. Okay, so if you want to try them out, you are responsible. If you want to try them out, you are responsible for the risks involved. Okay, so before I proceed, I would like to introduce a bit of myself. I'm a web designer and a web developer. So in case you need any of those services, you can actually contact me. I'll be dropping my contact information on the description box. Okay, so you can contact me there. So in case you need websites, different kind of website, crypto websites, um, school portals, um, different kind of website you can think of. Okay, so you can contact me and I'll get that done immediately. Okay, so let's go into the video. All right, before I proceed, I would like to apologize. This video is supposed to come out earlier. I'm supposed to have uploaded this video earlier, but something came up and I had some stuff to attend to, so I wasn't available to make this video. Okay, but nevertheless, um I've already done it. Okay, so you guys should accept my apology. Okay, it's supposed to have come earlier. All right, let's just go straight into the video of today. All right, so the website I'll be talking about is actually as an exchange. Okay, it's an exchange. I know you know about Binance, you know about Coinbase, you know about Hobby, you know about Probit, you know about Bitmart and the rest. Okay, and this exchange is actually part of them. Okay, so the only difference is that this exchange will actually give you money, and that money they will give to you. If you should sign up, that money they will give to you, you use it and trade. Okay, now if you trade, any profit you make from that trade is actually yours. Okay, so let me just go into the platform so you get every bit of what I'm trying to say. All right, so let's go to my Chrome. Okay. Alright, so the platform is actually StormGain. Okay, so I'll be dropping the link on my description box. Okay, so that you can actually get the right website. Okay, the right website. Alright, so once you register, if you should use the link on the description, you will be given a bonus. Okay, let me just show you so you get what I'm trying to say. Alright, so you can see, if you should sign up with this link, you'll be getting 3 USDT. Okay, will be credited to your account. You get, so let me go back. So once you have that 3 USDT, you have it on your USDT wallet. So this is actually an exchange. You can see wallet, you can deposit, you can withdraw, you can send, you can exchange it from one coin to another. You can exchange from USDT, okay, from USDT to any any coin at all you want. BTC, USDC, SLM, Go. It's just like other exchanges, okay. So it's just that they have a feature that other exchange don't have. Okay, so just to see that it's an exchange. All right, so once you get to this site, now the feature you'll be making use of, it's called um, mining, crypto mining. Okay, so you'll be mining USDT and BTC on this platform. Now that USDT is withdrawable. So once you withdraw it, it will be credited on your trading account. Okay, and the minimum you can withdraw is 10 USDT, and you can be turning on the mining every 4 hours. Okay, so it takes 4 hours to complete a section of mining. Then once you complete a section of mining, you come back after 4 hours to continue another mining. Okay, all right, I am already mining. If not, I could have shown you. It's just a simple process. You come to this mining site that I'm here, this place, this particular page. So once you are there, if you came the first time, this particular place that is 2 hours will be shining green. So you click on it. Once you click on it, you have this I am a robot. I am not a robot. So you complete that, then the mining process will begin. Okay, so once you reach 10 USDT, you click on this withdraw. You get, you click on this withdraw button. This withdraw button will be enabled. Then you see it will be enabled. Okay, now once it's enabled, you click on it. It will deposit what you have mined to your trading account. All right, so once you come to your trading, this is your trading account. So once you come here, after, it might not credit immediately, but just give it some time. It will be credited. Okay, it will be credited after some times. Okay, so you come here, especially for those that trade. If you're a good trader and you don't have um you don't have capital to start trading, this is a very good and nice opportunity. Okay, you can make use of it very well. And if you don't know how to trade and you want to try it out, you can comment on the comment box on this video. Okay, so like telling me you want to try it out but you don't know how to trade, I will give you a simple strategy. Now, after giving you that strategy, that is one part of it. Then the other strategy is, will require you to have a system. If you don't have a system, I'll give you the one that doesn't need system. But if you have system, I'll give you the one that requires you to use system. I mean laptop. Okay, so it's an indicator. The indicator will indicate when you are to buy or when you are to sell, when you are to close your sell position and when you are to close your buy position. Okay, all right, that being said, okay, you can say I'm in a trade. That is why this thing is loading. You can see I'm in a trade already. All right, so after depositing your money on this, after you withdraw your $10, okay, after withdrawing that $10, you come to this trading section, which is this particular place. It will show you. Now you choose the particular instrument you want to trade. Okay, there are a lot of them here. You choose the particular one you want to trade. Okay, so let's assume you want to trade Bitcoin against USDC. You can see it here. Let's assume you want to trade Bitcoin. And the good thing about this platform is that they give you signals. Okay, they give you signal when to buy and when to sell. You get, but if you should lose money on those signal, is the loss should be on you. Okay, so you have to be very very sure before you take the signals. All right, so that being said, so let's assume you want to trade BTC. So you click on it. Okay, you can say I've clicked on it. Now it will take you to the trading part of it, where you can see the chart. You see it's loading. All right, so you can change it whichever time frame you want to use, 1 hour, 4 hours, and so forth, and so on and so forth. You can change it to candlestick. Okay, whichever way you know how this works. If you have been trading, so you should know how this works. All right, so this is the ask price and this is the bid price. Okay, so now after you have deposited your money, you can be able to place trade. So let's assume you want to buy this market now. You saw a signal that says you should buy. You click on buy. Okay, now if you click on buy, this particular place will be showing you the amount that you invest. There is the amount you want to use to buy. So note that the minimum amount you can invest on any trade, provided that this one is BTC, any trade at all, the minimum amount is 10 USDT. So if you want to withdraw your mind BTC, just allow it to reach like $11, 11 USDT. Okay, so that even though you lose, even though the first trade you take is a loss, you can still have enough capital to invest again. So you won't wait until you mine another $10 before you can invest again. Okay, so that is just one thing you should know before you start investing. All right, so with this, you can, if you're a good trader, you can make, there is no limit to the amount you can make, and any profit you generate from this is actually yours. You can withdraw it to your Binance, you can withdraw it to anywhere. It's actually yours. Okay, but you cannot withdraw the mined USDT. The mined USDT is for trading only. Okay, it's for trading only, but you can withdraw the profit you got while trading. So if any amount of profit, if you like, get 1,000 profit, 2,000 profit, is yours. Okay, is yours. There is no limit to the amount you can make. Is yours. So once you have come to this buy side, you click on confirm buy. Okay, I guess I don't have um enough capital. Okay, let me just try and see if it will run. Okay, not enough capital because I'm already in a trade with 10 USDT. Okay, I'm already in a trade with 10 USDT, so that is why I say not enough USDT. Okay, so the next place it will show me, it will show you if you are trading, is where you will confirm your buy trade. Okay, so you enter this place, you enter the leverage. This is the leverage. The amount is, the minimum is 10. If it is 11 that you mine, you can add 11 here, but the minimum is 10. Okay, then you choose leverage. You can increase the leverage from here. See, you can increase the leverage from here. Okay, all right, it's not increasing because I don't have USDT. That is why it's not increasing. Okay, so you can set your take profit. You can set your take profit. You can set your stop loss, and this auto increase is just like martingale strategy. If you have known about martingale, sorry, that is what this auto increase means. It means once the market drop with a certain level, the platform will automatically purchase for you. Okay, based on the settings, how you set it. All right, so if you drop again, it will purchase another one for you. Like, it will buy. Okay, that is what I mean. It will go long. That is what I mean. You know how future work. So if you have been trading future, so this shouldn't be a problem if you have been trading future. But if you have not been trading future and you don't understand any of this, you can comment on the box. Okay, and I will reply you and give you guidance on some of the stuff, on the things you don't understand. Okay, so no issue with that. So this is actually how you can make money online without investing any time. Okay, this is how you can make money without investing any time. All right. So just going to see my trade. Okay, this is the trade I pull out. To take this trade is on SRP. Excuse me. This trade is on SRP, and to take my profit on, you can see my take profit 8420. This trade is on SRP, so that is where I will take my profit, and this is my stop loss. Okay, it's not showing because the terminal is too small, so you can see the red button side here is my stop loss. So this is the trade I've opened. So any money I make from this trade, I can withdraw it to my Binance wallet. Okay, so basically this is how you can generate money without investing any time. Okay, if you're a good trader, this is a good start. Okay, all right, without saying much, I'll be dropping the link in the description box. Okay, so don't worry about getting the right site. So just use the link in the description box, and don't forget, if you use that, you'll be getting 3 USDT, which I've shown you. Okay, all right, so if you love this video, please just give me a like button. If you really enjoy it, give me a like button. Also share to those may find it um who may find it helpful, or who may need it. Okay, so share to them, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because more of this are coming. Okay, so for you not to miss out on on the videos I will be dropping, very valuable videos. Okay, I'll be dropping very valuable videos which you will enjoy. All right, so once you click that subscribe button, you won't miss out. So once I drop those videos, you'll be notified. Okay, so that you'll be among the first people that will get the first hand information. Okay, all right, without much thing, I'll say goodbye, and we'll meet again until we meet again on my next video. Okay, all right.